Hey guys, last time I tried this, it didn't work out too well. The platform wasn't very happy with me. I'm gonna try again with just a wee bit of babble to start things off. What we have here is a communication for some of the younger hams out there that may have never had a girlfriend. And you guys are all worried that you're thinking, well, putting all kinds of thoughts in your head. You're doing a thought projection on them. You don't know what they're thinking. Those are young women, and you're a dude, right? Once you recognize that, get beyond that. Now you can work on the question: are you good enough looking? Do you have enough money? Is your car cool enough? Is your God, I hope not this. Is your phone cool enough? Please tell me that. But I know what you're thinking. The hot girl, that hot one, she'll only go out with the cuties or the football stud, right? Let's show you something, man. Hang on. Let's take a little. You want to see who will date you? Hey, man, you look like a frog. You look like a nerd. Hey, check it out. Those are the girls girls get off on you guys, man. They like you a lot. As long as you're fun to hang out with and you make them laugh. You do that, that's all you got to do, man. Be nice. Be real nice. Make them laugh. Be fun to hang out with. Just treat them like one of the guys. And treat them with mostly respect. And I say that jokingly. Treat them with utmost respect, but don't be afraid to do the things that Mother Nature wants you to, that Mother Nature tells you to. Who will go out with you guys? I'll show you. See that canopy over that entrance? Believe it or not, guys, you young hams out there, this is the bottom line. By Blizzo. Here she comes. Look at her. Is she not stunning? Yeah, she is, man. I'll let you guys see me for about 4 seconds in another video, and I won't tell you where. Is Blondie hot? You tell me. My best friend in the whole world of yesteryear, Katie. Last name starts with the letter L as in Lima, but that's all I tell you. She was 10 times more beautiful than Blondie. Who did Katie like? Katie liked me, man. And a couple other guys liked me before we met. And I'm sure well, that's rude. And I'm sure her husband that she married is much like me as well. Katie like weirdos, man. You big dork. Oh, dear God, if you're a big dork, you're the one they want the most. It's true, man. I'm a 61-year-old man. I've learned this, man. I love you, Blondie. Oh, my. Oh, oh, come on, Blondie. I can barely take that, man. Oh, my. She'll date you guys. I promise you. Help and advice for the younger ham who's looking for the right girl. 73.